LarkVeil Dixon Phrases, 7 phrases about friendship, explanation, and reconciliation. For each phrase, hear it, learn it, see an original example, and say it. Sit down, slowly. Sit down. It means to move into a seated position on a chair or another surface. Sitting down beside someone can also show that you are ready to listen. Use sit down by itself or add beside and a person. The past form is sat down. Do not put the person directly after down. I sat down beside Noah and listened to his whole story. Now, say it in parts. I sat down beside Noah and listened to his whole story. The small action creates space for a supportive conversation. Your turn. Repeat after me. Sit down and tell me what happened. Make friends. Slowly. Make friends. It means to begin friendly relationships with other people. A shared class, club, or activity can make the first conversation easier. Use make friends with to name a person or group. Use through to name the activity that helped. The past form is made friends. Lena made friends through the art club during her first week. Now say it in parts. Lena made friends through the art club during her first week. The club gave her a natural setting for new friendships. Your turn. Repeat after me. You can make friends through a shared hobby. Take a look at. Slowly. Take a look at. It means to look at something briefly or carefully. In conversation, it is a friendly way to ask someone to examine something. Put the object after at. Take a look at this message. Do not remove at. In formal writing, examine or review may be more suitable. Take a look at my message before I send it to Mia. Now say it in parts. Take a look at my message before I send it to Mia. A quick check may prevent an unclear message from causing trouble. Your turn. Repeat after me. Take a look at this photo before we post it. Clear up. Slowly. Clear up. It means to explain something so a doubt or misunderstanding disappears. In this lesson, clear up concerns communication, not weather or cleaning. Say clear up a misunderstanding or clear it up. With an object pronoun, place it between clear and up. Our honest conversation cleared up the misunderstanding between us. Now, say it in parts. Our honest conversation cleared up the misunderstanding between us. A direct explanation removed the confusion between the two people. Your turn. Repeat after me. One calm question may clear up the confusion. Make up. Slowly. Make up. It means to become friendly again after an argument or disagreement. In this lesson, make-up concerns repairing a relationship, not inventing a story. Use make-up with to name the other person. You can also say two people made up after an argument. The teammates talked after practice and made up before dinner. Now, say it in parts. The teammates talked after practice and made up before dinner. Their conversation repaired the relationship after the disagreement. Your turn. Repeat after me. I hope to make up with my friend today. Hang up. Slowly. Hang up. It means to end a phone conversation by disconnecting the call. The same words can describe placing an object on a hook, but this lesson teaches the phone meaning. Use hang up when a call ends. Hang up on someone suggests ending the call suddenly and can sound rude. The past form is hung up. John apologized before he hung up and called back later. Now say it in parts. John apologized before he hung up and called back later. His apology and later call kept the conversation from ending badly. Your turn. Repeat after me. We always say goodbye before hanging up the phone. Fool around. Slowly. Fool around. It means to waste time behaving playfully instead of doing useful work. The expression is informal and often sounds mildly critical. Use fool around by itself. After stop, use fooling around. This lesson teaches playful time wasting, not other meanings of the phrase. We stopped fooling around and finished the group poster together. Now say it in parts. We stopped fooling around and finished the group poster together. Once the playful distraction ended, the group completed its work. Your turn. Repeat after me. We cannot fool around during the final rehearsal. Choose 2 phrases from this lesson. Write 1 true sentence with each phrase, then say both sentences aloud twice. Review the 2 phrases you chose while the lesson is still fresh in your mind. Choose another lesson when you are ready.